Alright, so I'm leaving the shop today. It's October 31st. Happy Halloween. And just picked up this truck. Had the drums replaced on the drive axle. A little worn. So, first thing I'm going to do today is go get a mattress. And see if we can go to Costco, pick up some food supplies. And see what else I can think of that can handle today. But the thing is, Ethan's got a doctor's appointment, so I gotta be done. And we gotta be in the Woodlands by 2 o'clock. So and it's already 10:10 right now. We'll see what I can get done today. Most important thing, get the mattress, and that's where I'm gonna head straight to next. I'm gonna head to the local mattress firm off of 45, and right now I'm at 610 in McCarty, so probably it'll take less than 15 minutes to get there. I should be open by now. See if I can get a mattress to fit in here. The width from the wall to the desk and closet, it's right at 38 inches wide, and from what I saw online last night, some of the mattresses are actually about 39 inches wide. So I hope they just round it up. So I got my measuring tape, so we'll find out when we get there. So that's it for now.